Hey guys. So the book my trade book that I selected was Baby on Board: How Animals Carry Their Young. The book discusses how a wide range of animals care, protect, and move their young. The target grade level for this book is in this activity is kindergarten to second. Um, for the first part, the teacher would ask questions about how their parents keep them, like the students, safe. And then after they've discussed the different ways that parents protect their children, then we would go ahead and read the book and see how other animals protect their babies. So then the next thing that we would do is we would move into explore, which here this is where students would watch videos like this one right here. I'm just going to show a quick little part of the video, and you can see this would just be something that a teacher would show the students and see how this mom bird feeds her babies. Then after the videos were watched, that would go ahead and the teacher would have the students draw pictures of what they saw and discuss what they learned from the video. After this, students would play games such as charades and act out the type of animals they get. So they would just randomly pick a card, and then they would go ahead and act it out for the class, and the class would guess what they are acting out. And finally, they need to be evaluated. So the teacher would evaluate them by either taking a quick quiz or going online and asking them questions, but just something would need to be done at the end so the teacher knew that the students learned from this activity.